This brand is made in China and can be purchased directly through their Amazon store. The units have 3 stages of filtration and a 12-speed fan, but they do not use an air quality sensor to control the unit or to indicate when filter change is required. The units are pretty quiet with noise levels less than normal adult conversation even when the units are running in high speed. The units are backed by a very good warranty that includes a 30-day money-back guarantee. The Mod Purifier has a 1,312 square feet coverage area with a 337 CFM delivery rate, while the Mod Junior has an 878 square feet coverage with a 238 CFM delivery rate, and the Mod Plus is for extra large rooms with a 375 CFM delivery rate and a 1,361 square feet coverage area. The AirMend models are assembled in the USA, but they are basic 2-stage purifiers. Shop for all of your HVAC needs in our Amazon store.